Let's subtract similar fractions. Again, pag similar fractions, pareho yung denominator nila. And kapag parehong denominator, madali na lang po mag-subtract kasi ano lang yung sinusubtract or ina-add. Very good yung numerator niya lang and then kinakopy lang po ang denominator. So let's try to use these following examples to understand how to add or how to subtract fractions. So 6/15 minus 4/15. Yes, copy lang yung 15. And then 6 minus 4, it's 2/15. Very good. Pwede pa ba tong i-lowest form? Hindi na. Wala na pong ibang number bukod sa 1 ang pwedeng i-divide sa 2 and 15. So this is the final answer. How about this one? 4/7 minus 2/7. Very good. Ikakopy lang yung 7, which is the denominator. And then 4 minus 2, it's 2. So, this is the final answer kasi wala naman siyang ibang number na pwedeng i-divide sa 2 and 7 bukod sa 1. So, this is the final or the simplified form.